In the heart of America's industrial might, behind layers of security and steel, a modern titan is born. This is where raw power is forged, where engineering prowess meets battlefield necessity. This is the home of the M88A2 Hercules, the most powerful armored recovery vehicle on Earth. Today, we go inside the factory to witness the creation of a machine designed to rescue giants. The M88A2 Hercules is not a frontline fighter. It is the unsung hero of armored warfare. Weighing nearly 70 tons, its singular purpose is to recover the heaviest main battle tanks, often under fire, from the most unforgiving environments. Its story begins not on the battlefield, but here in a symphony of fire, steel, and human ingenuity. The journey starts with raw material, massive plates of high-hardness, rolled, homogeneous armor. These aren't just sheets of steel. They are a sophisticated composite, engineered to withstand direct hits from enemy fire and shrapnel. In a dazzling display of controlled force, robotic plasma cutters slice through the thick steel with impossible precision. Guided by lasers, they carve out the complex shapes that will form the Hercules' impenetrable hide. Sparks erupt in a brilliant cascade, each one a testament to the energy required to shape such a resilient material. Next, these precisely cut plates are brought to the welding bays. Here, robotic arms and highly skilled welders join the pieces together. The air hums with the electric current of arc welding, a process so intense it fuses steel at a molecular level. We watch in slow motion as molten metal bridges the gap between two plates, solidifying into a bond stronger than the parent steel. This is where the vehicle's survivability is born. Each weld is meticulously inspected using ultrasonic and X-ray technology, ensuring there are no weaknesses, no imperfections. The hull of the Hercules begins to take shape, a monolithic structure of pure, unyielding strength. As the hull moves down the assembly line, it becomes a hub of activity. Teams of specialized technicians, clad in protective gear, swarm over the growing vehicle. They install the complex internal systems that are the lifeblood of the Hercules. Wiring harnesses, hydraulic lines, and environmental controls are carefully routed through the vehicle's interior. Every connection is torqued to exact specifications, every system checked and double-checked. This phase is a testament to the human element, the skilled hands that transform a steel shell into a functioning machine. The scale is immense. Workers are dwarfed by the armored components they are fitting together. Now comes the heart of the beast. Suspended from an overhead crane, a massive diesel engine is slowly, carefully lowered into the hull. This isn't just any engine. It's a 1,050 horsepower, air-cooled, V12 twin-turbo diesel power pack. It's the same engine that propels the M1 Abrams main battle tank, giving the Hercules the brute force needed to tow a 70-ton tank up a steep grade. The installation is a moment of mechanical poetry. The massive engine, weighing several tons, is guided into its mounts with millimeter precision. As the bolts are tightened, the Hercules gains its soul, its source of unstoppable power. But power is nothing without the right tools. The defining feature of the M88A2 is its main winch. This is no ordinary winch. It's a behemoth of engineering capable of pulling 140,000 pounds, or 70 tons, on a single line. We get a close-up look at its massive drum, wrapped with a thick steel cable over an inch in diameter. The gears and pulley mechanisms are colossal, designed to handle immense stress without fail. This winch is the Hercules' primary muscle, allowing it to pull a completely disabled tank out of deep mud or a ditch. Its sheer size and robust construction are awe-inspiring. A clear indication of the forces it's designed to command. Complementing the winch is the crane. A 35-ton capacity A-frame boom gives the Hercules another dimension of recovery capability. It can lift and replace an entire tank turret or power pack right on the battlefield. We see it in action in a simulated environment, lifting the turret from a damaged tank hull. The hydraulic systems whine with controlled power as the massive crane effortlessly manipulates tons of steel. This capability dramatically reduces repair times and keeps armored units in the fight. The crane is not just for lifting. It's a force multiplier. Let's step inside. The crew compartment is a fortress within a fortress. Designed to protect its 4-person crew from artillery, small arms fire, and even nuclear, biological, and chemical threats, it is a space of rugged functionality. The controls are a mix of robust analog levers and modern digital displays. Glowing screens provide the crew with real-time diagnostics on the vehicle's systems and a clear view of the recovery operation via external cameras. It's cramped, functional, and built for survival. Every switch and dial is designed to be operated with gloved hands in high-stress situations. This is the nerve center from which the Hercules' immense power is directed. With the mechanical and electronic systems in place, the vehicle moves to the paint booth. Here it receives its final layer of protection, military-grade camouflage. Robotic spray nozzles envelop the vehicle in a fine mist of chemical agent-resistant coating, or caulk paint. This advanced coating not only helps the vehicle blend into its environment, but also protects the crew from chemical and biological agents and makes the vehicle easier to decontaminate. The slow-motion dance of paint particles settling onto the armor's surfaces gives the Hercules its final, warlike identity. It emerges from the chamber no longer a collection of parts, but a unified instrument of military power. The factory floor has done its job. Now the ultimate test begins. On a proving ground designed to mimic the harshest battlefield conditions, the newly built M88A2 is pushed to its absolute limits. Its first task, towing a disabled M1 Abrams tank. The Hercules hooks up, its engine roaring to life with a deep, thunderous rumble. The tow bar strains, the tracks dig into the earth, and with a surge of raw power, the 70-ton tank begins to move. Dust and smoke billow as the two steel giants traverse the terrain, a powerful demonstration of the Hercules' primary mission. But towing on flat ground is one thing. The real test is extreme terrain. The Hercules charges through deep mud, its powerful tracks turning the ground into a chaotic mess. It climbs steep, rocky slopes with an incline that would stop lesser vehicles in their tracks. The suspension articulates, keeping the tracks planted firmly on the ground as the engine's immense torque drives it relentlessly forward. Each test is designed to validate every weld, every bolt, and every system. The vehicle must prove it can go anywhere a tank can go, and then some. It must be unstoppable because the forces it supports depend on it. As the sun sets over the proving grounds, casting long shadows across the landscape, our M88A2 Hercules stands alone. Its silhouette is a powerful symbol of strength, resilience, and support. It is more than just a machine. It is a promise. A promise to the soldiers on the front lines that no matter what happens, no matter how dire the situation, they will not be left behind. From the first spark of the welding torch to this final heroic pose, the Hercules has been built for one purpose: to be the savior on the modern battlefield. Its work is done here, but its mission is just beginning. Thank you for joining us on this journey inside the Hercules factory. If you are fascinated by the engineering and power on display, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most incredible machines. See you next time.